guys, welcome back. So today we are making something quick and delicious recipe that is packed with flavor. Spicy shrimp spaghetti for dinner. Whether you're cooking for the family or you just want to treat yourself, this recipe will add some spice to your weeknight dinner. Okay, so let's get started. So first thing I'll do is to boil my spaghetti. Okay, to cook the spaghetti, I'll add about a few cups of water to a pot. Then I'm going to season the water with some salt and a tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning. And then I'm going to cover it and allow it to boil. Once my water starts to boil, I'm going to go ahead to add in my spaghetti and also give it a quick stir. Then I'm going to cover it and allow it to boil for about 7 to 10 minutes. Alright guys, so our spaghetti is ready, okay? So the next thing we'll do is to drain out the water from the spaghetti, okay? And also we'll make sure that I save some of the water, okay? About half cup, okay? We'll use it later, okay? Alright, so moving on to the next step is to season my shrimps, okay? I'm going to add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil to the shrimp. To season the shrimp, I'm going to use chili powder, onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, Italian season, Sazon, and some salt to taste, okay? I'm going to season that until it is nice and well seasoned, okay? You want every bite of the shrimp to be very delicious, okay? Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter to a pan. Once the butter is nice and hot, we'll go ahead to place the shrimp in there. I'm going to cook the shrimp for about a minute per side because I will be adding it back in the spaghetti once it is done cooking, okay? So please try not to overcook the shrimp, okay? Once I'm done, I'm going to go ahead to remove the shrimp and set it aside. Alright guys, now that I've removed all the shrimp, we'll set them aside. Moving on to the next step, I'm going to use the same pan and add in butter, about 2 tablespoons, okay? I'm using unsalted butter, but of course you can use salted butter if you want, okay? So once the butter is nice and melted, we'll add in some onions and a tablespoon of chopped garlic, okay? We'll saute this for about 2 minutes. Okay, once our onions and garlic is well sauteed, we'll add in about a tablespoon of tomato paste in and also fry it for about 2 minutes, okay? I want to reduce all its sourness, okay? So I'm going to go ahead to fry, okay? So now we'll go ahead to add in some seasoning, okay, which is going to make it nice and spicy. I'm using pepper flakes as well as Sazon. So once that goes in, I'm going to go ahead to stir everything together. Now to the next is to add in the spaghetti water, okay? If you've drained all your spaghetti water, you can replace it with a chicken broth, okay? We'll go ahead to give it a quick stir. And if you are going for the healthy version, this is the time to add in your spinach or broccoli, okay? Moving on to the next step, I'm going to add in my heavy cream at this point. Then give it a stir. Now is the perfect time to taste it, okay? If you need some pepper or salt, you can just go ahead and add it, okay? Mine wasn't spicy enough, so I went ahead to add in more extra chili powder and some salt. I'm also going to add in back our shrimp and our spaghetti. I'm also going to add in some mozzarella cheese. You can use any cheese you have, okay? Once they are all in, I'm going to twirl the spaghetti in with a tongue just to make sure that the spaghetti is well incorporated with the sauce. And lastly, we'll go ahead to garnish it with some fresh parsley and green onions. And just like that, dinner is ready. This spicy shrimp spaghetti is the perfect blend of spice, savory shrimp pasta, ideal for a quick but satisfying dinner. If you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on more delicious recipes. Thank you so much for watching, and until I come your way with another deliciousness, please stay blessed and happy. Bye guys.